Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how you can simply set up My Eyes Only on Snapchat. And first I need to open Snapchat and here tap on Memories. Here I get all my snaps and I need to enter in My Eyes Only tab to set up it. Just tap on this button. Here I can move snaps to My Eyes Only, so they are out of the way when you are showing memories to your friends. I tap on Quick Setup. Here I need to create passcode, and you should remember that if you forget your passcode, Snapchat won't be able to recover it or your private snaps for you. So let's create passcode, let's confirm it. Here we see our passcode, and the passcode is the only way to access to My Eyes Only. Keep remember about it. I understand that if I forget this passcode, Snapchat won't be able to recover my passcode or my snaps in My Eyes Only. Remember about this. Tap on this radio button, tap on the button Continue. And now setup complete, just tap on finish, and here I can enter in My Eyes Only tab by typing my passcode. I can see nothing here, let's add here something. I will go back to snaps, and here if I tap on snap I can tap on more and choose this option, hide snap My Eyes Only. Let's tap on it, move, and now I see that this snaps was replaced to My Eyes Only section, and I can also remove snap from this section. Just tap on it. I can delete it or I can, for example, unhide it. Let's check this feature and go to snaps. Here is my snap went back to the snaps section. So now you know how to set up My Eyes Only feature at Snapchat. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.